So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about a subject that everyone wanted me to specifically talk about, which is how to actually go viral with your AI model on Instagram. So first of all, I'll be showing you guys what type of content you need to pick, what type of content you need to make for your AI model, and how you can actually get inspired from actual OnlyFans model in order to not miss and basically go viral every time. Then I'll be showing you guys how to make content that is going to be liked by your audience. So making views is one thing, but to have a high percentage of likes compared to the numbers that you're doing is another thing too, and it's really even more important than making views, because it's what's going to lead to as much dollars as possible. So you need to have a content that your audience will like a lot, and then if you stay until the end, I'll show you a little bonus on how to actually make your AI model as authentic as possible, and as much authentic as an actual model by using her voice. So I'll show you guys this right now. Okay, so the first thing you actually want to do is go on TikTok and look for other videos. So I'm saying specifically TikTok because it's easier to have a deep search in TikTok and have just keywords like you can just type in and find like what's necessary for you to then copy from the AI software. So basically what I did here is I typed in Latina dance trend, and basically what you want to do is you want to pick a video that has many views, but I'm not talking like it doesn't have to have millions, but just many views, and then I'll show you how to pick the right video from the first video that you're going to pick. So for example, I look, so you want to look for a model that specifically has the right body and the same type of I would say attributes than your actual model. So for example, if I take this one, so it doesn't have many likes, but you can still take a look at it, and then I'm gonna get there. So what I'm gonna check is, okay, this one, she has approximately 2,000 followers. Okay, now what I want to do is, out of these people, like out of all of these videos too, which one did actually go viral, and why did it go viral, and is it something that I might be able to copy? So basically I take a look at it. Okay, and for example, you see this one is really standing out. This one has 300,000 views. Compared to all these other videos, you can clearly see that this one has gone viral. So this is a 2,000 followers account. This is a 300,000 views video, so which is 10 times the amount that what she gets for the other videos. So this is a right pick. For example, this is a right pick because this means it's a type of content that tends to go viral, and if you copy it, it will tend to go viral again. So what I'll do is I just download this video, and I'll show you what to do next. Alright, so once you're here, you'll just copy the link from the video, and what you want to do is actually go and download it. So I specifically use this website, always used it, pretty easy. It doesn't lose quality, so it's pretty good. So you'll just download the video. Okay, so now that you've downloaded the video, you're gonna go to Hixfield. So what you want to do is you want to buy some credits, just put in $20 just to try it and see. So what you'll try to do is you'll go to video right there, and you'll go to clean motion control, and basically you're going to upload the picture of your AI model. So you upload the best picture that you have, as clear picture, no hair inside, like nothing, just a clear picture, and you upload the video we've just downloaded, and basically you'll just generate. Alright guys, so this is the final results we actually got. So you see it's pretty much the same video but generated with AI, and you can see that now we have the face of our own model, and they kind of duplicate the whole sand on the beach and everything. So I think it has the same sound also, but you have the possibility to change that further on Instagram, of course. Okay, so once that you have your own video, now you have to make your own sound. So you have to look for the right music to add to it. You could pick the same one that she used, but the thing is that sometimes depending on the market you are, it will be more strategic to choose another song. But of course, this girl seems to be on the American market, so it might be pretty good to pick the same song. So basically now you have many strategies regarding this video. So you could either publish it as it is right now, or you could add a little something to it. And what I mean by adding a little something to it is by adding a caption that could be like to attract and to hook the audience and the viewers. So by adding a caption, you will be making more views, so you will be attracting more people because they are curious to know what you want to write. And this is especially how people are used to scroll nowadays. Like you need to get their attention with something, and you can do that by writing captions. which is more efficient than just publishing the video as you could see it. So I'm gonna take a look and show you what kind of caption would be working and what I mean by actually writing a caption. Alright guys, so we're now back on Instagram, so I'll show you what kind of caption I was actually talking about and which kind of caption tends to actually go viral, especially on AI models. So we are here with this account which has 17.7 thousand followers, and you can see that she has pretty viral content. So this, for example, would be the type of caption that you would be writing. So sometimes you can copy other models, sometimes you can create yourself for the caption. I'm the type to have a creative mind, so I like to create everything myself. I don't even look at what other people are doing. I did it, of course, when I started on the first 1-2 months, but then I just do everything on top of my mind. And I recommend to always use this type of typography. So it's meme with the black on the contour. So always use this type of typography. This is the one that gets you really captivate about the video, and that's a really good hook. Like other typography like these are not as much good as this one. Like this one, if she used the same as this one, she would have done more views here than 300,000. Now once again, like I said at the beginning of the video, the other important factor that you need to take into consideration is the fact that yes, we look at the views, yes, we want the most viral videos possible, but we also want to take a look at the rate of likes that we get. So for example, this video, it has 2.8 million views with 40k likes, so it's a pretty good rate, because that's about 1%, I would say, a little bit more, like 1.5% of likes. So it's pretty good for an AI model, but you can still reach more. You can still reach the 5 to 10% target, I would say. So if I try to go down, you see she doesn't get much likes. Why? Because the model is not that authentic. It's just a regular model with just regular captions. Maybe it might sometimes make some views, but it's not the most optimal way to actually position yourself on the market. So let's try to see if she has a content that has gone viral. Okay, this one. Okay, so here, let me show you. Here, this has 100,000 views and 5k likes, so that's 5% likes. Okay, so here you can see that for another type of content with 100,000 views, here she gets 140 likes. So that's basically like 30 times less likes than for the same amount of views. We're gonna try to understand why. So basically here, okay, just a video, it looks a lot like AI, like I can tell it's AI, like everyone could tell, and it's just a video that was made just to repeat itself, so it gets lots of views but not many engagement. Okay, now if you take a look at this video with 5,000 likes, okay, it gives a little bit more personality than the first video, and it's a little bit more authentic. You can see she's in a room, it doesn't look AI at all. Looks pretty good to me. So that's what you need to very take into consideration. Like to me, like the only way to really convert as much as possible is to make your model talk. So what I mean by that is by having a voice over the reel that you post, like just like telling about her day, just like making her actually talk on podcast, making like her having interaction with people. That's what's gonna get a lot of engagement, and that's what's gonna convert the most. So I'm gonna show you on the next step basically how you could make your AI model talk, and how you could do actual reel without having the need to put music, without having the need to put a caption, just by making her talk and publishing it as soon right away. So of course you need to still be doing this type of content, but it's important that you have some accounts, or that once in a while you still post some contents with her talking, because it's going to give life to the character, and it's going to be more authentic, and of course it's going to convert more. And that's why OF girls convert more than AI girls in general, because they look authentic. So the closer you look to them, the more you'll make, basically. So it is really important when you are warming up your account, that when you have to actually scroll and look at content in order for the algorithm to understand the niche you're in. So once you warm up the account, just take a look into the accounts, take a look at the videos that are making views, take a look at the videos that have a high conversion rate in terms of likes, and see basically what works the best. Even though, like me, I had some accounts with only captions, like no talking, no nothing, and still some captions will get you like 10 times the amount of likes than some other captions. So it's your job to understand this and kind of direct it in a way that it's going to be helpful for you and your business. You want to attract as many people as possible with the right words, and the more you convert, the more the better it is for you and for how much you're actually making. You do not need to be making millions of views to make 10 or 20,000 a month. You need to be making good content that sometimes go viral, and you need to have a repeat I would say strategy where you always every day post and always know what to post on which accounts. Alright guys, so we're now at the second part of the video where I'm going to be showing you how to actually make your AI model talk and how to actually make videos of her talking so you can have reels to be ready to post on your Instagram account. So basically what you want to do first is go on Pinterest and you want to take a look at pictures in an area where the person could be actually talking or speaking, so that you can actually duplicate that in the future. So I'll just type in just like female podcast. Okay, so now you have basically hundreds of pictures. You'll just take one that's actually gonna make a good picture once you face swap it, and be sure to have a clear view of the face. So I'm gonna be showing you why right now. So for example, let's say I take this one. Okay, so I think this is an AI girl in the first place, so I'm gonna avoid to take that one, but maybe take this one that looks more authentic, even though I think it's an AI too. So what I'll do next is I'll download the picture. Okay, then what you want to do is want to go to this website, and there are many other websites that you can use too, but it's not important. They're all the same and they all work the same. And then you want to go here and just basically take the picture that we have just found, and you will just do the face swap. So it's going to take about 10 seconds. So it's important that you do this before doing anything else. So then once you're pretty satisfied with the picture, you can actually keep it and use it for many podcasts that are going to be in this area, in this room, on this day. So the same clothes, the same, the same decor. So even though this picture is not that good, I'm still going to pick it because I'm not going to publish it anywhere. It's just to show you guys. So once again, I will download it. And now you need to have a voice on what she's going to say in the video. So what you need to do for that is you need to go to ElevenLabs. So I'm pretty sure you've heard about this website. Basically they manage like all the AI voice and everything. So that's on there that you can actually create like a unique version of voice for your AI model. So I would recommend to actually go there, maybe use a YouTube video to have a tutorial on how to pick the right voice, how to actually do it. But basically if you don't have a voice for your AI model yet, I would suggest that you do it ASAP. But if you have one already, what you want to do is go to this website, which is called someai.org, and you go to Ilaria RVC beta. Okay, what you do then is you will upload your model here. So you upload the model that you got from ElevenLabs, and then what you'll do, basically you will use this website just to talk and say what you want to say, and basically it's just gonna convert into the AI voice. So for example, I said this here. So basically okay, so you get the idea, and now what it gave me is this.
So basically, I'm just an AI girl, and my job and the whole point of my creation.
Okay, so now you know how to do the vocal stuff, and basically you'll just download the MP3 folder that you get from this. Alright guys, so then what you want to do is actually go to HeyGen, and you'll go to new video. So you will upload the picture that we've just made, and you will also upload the audio that we've just made also. So once you've done that, you'll just click on here. You might add a little script if you want to give some specific details that you specially required. Me, I'm just gonna let the AI do the work. So just go like this, you upload. Alright guys, so I've waited about 1 to 2 minutes, and I've already gotten the results, so I'm going to show you right now.
So basically, I'm just an AI model. I was only going to work for Scalar's Maker. I do not exist, and my only goal is to make him as much money as possible.
Okay, so as you can see, we got something pretty realistic, even though I didn't take time to take the right picture, the perfect picture. So I'm sure you guys will do the work correctly. And once again, you can still. So basically, I use the free version because my team is doing that for me nowadays. I used to do this, like I found this, I found out about this website almost like a year ago, so I haven't used it in so long. But now I have my team using it, and it works still pretty good. I'm pretty sure that they've improved um, as the AI got better. But basically, on this website, you can do pretty much anything. You can make them talk. You can make them having discussion. Two people having a podcast together, and you can just do anything you would want. So that's what I would recommend, because it might take a little longer than actually just doing videos, dancing videos, and videos with caption and everything. But the results you get from them is actually like it's actually good to do this, like many more results, even though you spend 2 times the amount of time. So I would recommend anyone to do this, and maybe just have one account Instagram out of the 7 that are just like podcast only, for example. So thank you guys for watching again. So I hope I was being very helpful, especially on the different technique, how to actually go viral, what's the point of going viral if your videos do not get any likes. And if you still have any question and still want to learn more about AI OFM, I would invite you to first follow my channel, because I'm gonna get technical more and more every week. And if you still have a personal question you might have, you can still message me on Instagram. The Instagram is in the description of the video, and I'll see you guys next week for a new video.